फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अपराजिता टेल्स चैनल। और मैं वापस आ गई हूँ कॉलेज से। टाइम कुछ 5 बज रहा है और आज जैसा मैंने कहा फ्राइडे का दिन है। फ्राइडे का दिन इज़ एक्साइटिंग फॉर मी इन अ सर्टेन वे कि समटाइम डूइंग नथिंग. I mean, every day on weekdays when I come back home, there's always something to do. Like there are a pile of things that I have to finish. I have to do. Friday is one of the days where I'm like, कि, अच्छा, आई मीन यू कैन हैव दैट पीस कि थोड़ा आप रिलैक्स कर सकते हो. तो नॉर्मली क्या होता है, मैं चीज़ें प्लान आउट करती हूँ एवरी डे. लाइक आई एम अ वेरी डिसिप्लिन पर्सन दैट यू से. That's how fundamentally I function. I don't know about you people, how do you function, but fundamentally I function, uh, if you ask me, in a very disciplined manner, organized manner. So for me everything has to be planned. Lot many people are not the planners, they go random with the flow. तो उनके साथ वो वर्क करता होगा. बट वॉट आई हैव आइडेंटिफाइड अबाउट माई सेल्फ दैट प्लानिंग हेल्प्स मी अ लॉट टू ऑर्गेनाइज माई ब्रेन. So I'm not somebody who likes to go with the flows, because personally I believe it's the systems that make you do the things, and it's not the flow that makes you do the things. Because if you go completely on your feelings with the flow, high possibility that you won't be able to finish that task. So let's say if you have a task in hand, so like you can take the example of your mom. So your mom, when we were kids, she used to wake up every day to make your breakfast. She was never like कि आज मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है तो आज मैं तुम्हारे लिए breakfast नहीं बनाऊंगी. She used to push and do it. I mean, who likes to get up early in the morning and अपनी नींद खराब करके and then make breakfast? But they do it. They push a system. So your moms at home have always had a very indigenous systems. Like she was fixed with the thing that at this time she'll make the breakfast, this time she'll make the lunch, and never she took a call where she would be like कि नहीं आज मेरा मन नहीं है. Of course there are days जब off track होते हैं, आप नहीं अच्छा feel कर रहे थे, but your mom is the biggest a person where you can look up to for the systems, how do they work and believe. So I am also one of those persons who personally believe fixing time for the thing and doing it every day and compounding effect of that thing, and then it results into something. So every day, like weekly basis pe I try to do everything consistently every day. So exercise for my health, like health is one of the goals that I'm looking forward to. So now I'm in my 30s, right? So 30s is the time I should take care of my health. And फंडामेंटली हम अपनी हेल्थ को 20s में फॉर ग्रांटेड लेते हैं और उतना फ़र्क भी नहीं पड़ता. योर बॉडी इज़ फिट, मेटाबॉलिकली यू आर गुड, यू आर I mean your body is not telling. In your 30s you start feeling it a bit, and therefore you should invest. Of course in 20s also you should invest, but 30s में even if you start investing, it will pay you off in the 40s and 50s. But how do you invest in your health? You have to make a system for it, and the system is very clear. Every day you allot a time for it, a slot for it, that you will do so and so things. So health can include multiple angles. It can be your physical fitness, it can be your food that you're focusing on, it can be your so these are the two dimensions I'm fundamentally focusing on as per the health, which is your exercise, and the other one is food. So you have to allot a time. So if you don't fix time for exercise, if you don't allot a time for walking, I mean after a year you would be gaining weight. And if you say कि पता नहीं वज़न कैसे एकदम से बढ़ गया, वज़न ऐसे एकदम से नहीं बढ़ता है, आपके सामने हो रहा होता है, आपको अवेयरनेस नहीं होती है. तो अवेयरनेस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट आई पर्सनली बिलीव शुड कम. कई बार बड़ी पेनफुली अवेयरनेस आती है लोगों को. तो नॉर्मली लोगों को अवेयरनेस ऐसे आती है, बीपी बढ़ गया है. बीपी कैसे बढ़ गया है? But you're not aware this is happening inside your body, and therefore I personally believe you should be a lot conscious about the things that are happening inside your body and even outside your body, but inside your body fundamentally, because it affects you in multiple of ways. So I personally fix a health goal for every week, every month, every year to stay fit. And why do I want to keep my health as a priority? Is because it's going to affect me mentally. So if I don't take care of my physical health, mentally also it's going to affect me. So I also care for my spiritual health. Now how will the spiritual health be in place? Again, you have to create a system, and when I say system creation, I'm saying a lot of time, do it every day, every day, every day. Finally it will have a compounding effect. So spiritual health, like I personally like to read something which connects me to the higher self, and we all have that higher self. Higher self is basically the true calling that's coming from inside. I mean, we have created this सोसाइटी जहाँ पे ये पढ़ना है, ये करना है, ये प्रोफेशन ले लेना, ये कैरियर कर लेना है, बट देर इज़ अ ट्रू कॉलिंग दैट व्हेन यू लिसन टू इट यू विल रियलाइज व्हाट द ट्रू कॉलिंग इज़, एंड फॉर दैट you need to listen and have an awareness and see what is going on inside. So I personally, for my spiritual health, I like reading, and I fixed a slot for it. I read books, spiritual books, or maybe any spiritual leader that I am following. So currently Buddha is one of them, and not exactly Buddha, I would say Thich Nhat. I think he's one of the disciples of Buddha, and his books are really interesting. So I'm reading a lot of dimensions onto it. So that's how I take care of my spiritual health. So health goal is done, spiritual goal is done. Third, where do I want? I want financially some goal to be set up, right? How will you do it? I mean, all of a sudden I'm not going to be a money one day. I have to fix a slot for it to figure it out and think how do I plan this stuff that eventually after a year there will be some financial goal that I'm going to achieve. So I do that. So for me, fundamentally, if you see in each area of life, I have divided it, and I fix it a slot and do it in a very organized manner, and I do it for my own peace of mind. So मेरे लिए हर दिन is like a slot fixing and a time and a thought, but Friday is one of the days where I come across and I just take a time to do nothing. Now I've also fixed a time to do nothing, because all the time if you are thinking about some goal, something to do, nothing करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. बहुत लोगों को आपने देखा होगा, अगर उनसे बोलो कि खाली बैठते हैं, चलो बात करते हैं, तो परेशान हो जाएंगे. परेशान इसलिए हो जाएंगे कि आता ही नहीं बैठना, इतना काम किया है, अब आइडिया ही नहीं लग रहा है, खाली कैसे बैठते हैं. Now these are the challenges that you will come across in your life, like sitting there. But I do that again for my spiritual health. I do take out that time to like sit and do nothing on certain hours of the day, because I mean the life is on a constant run. When I say run, it's basically like Saturday, Sunday, even when I get the time, apart from the professional stuff and the course that I'm studying, also I have my domestic house to be set up. If my house is not clean, it's not put in place, it doesn't look beautiful like it is here, then what do you think will happen eventually? If the house is not beautiful, I'll not feel good in my body, in the sense that I live in this house, right? Anything not clean around you. So I'm fundamentally somebody who believes घर वार अच्छे से साफ रहना चाहिए, because it helps you in decluttering of lot of your mental clutter as well. So if your house is clean, so आप वो भी clean करोगे, keep it in place, because I personally believe everything around you. In fact, there is this one saying, if you really want to get to the reality of your life, just sit and observe your room in which you are sitting. Just sit in silence and observe your room. You will get to know each and every place in your house or in the room where to clean. That's how important it is. Your brain just figures out what needs to be put into the order and how it needs to be clean. So Sunday, Saturday, that's how it goes. And you also want to give yourself some treatment, right? You want to give yourself some leisure time. You're investing so much into every fixing goal, doing this, there, here. कब दोगे टाइम अपने आप को, किस टाइप का टाइम, टू फील गुड अबाउट योर सेल्फ. सेल्फ लव इज़ वन ऑफ द थिंग्स आई पर्सनली बिलीव इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लॉट मेनी पीपल who talk shit about others are fundamentally not loving them. So it's not about me, it's more about you. So that's how it comes out to be. तो मुझे fundamentally लगता है you should take out some. In fact, I was watching some video also which said, if you really want to get to the fundamental of your life, just ask yourself one question every time you are in a problem. What would a person who loved themselves would do? And you will get an instant answer to it. Every answer that you are getting, like for example, when you come home and you are not able to figure it out, what to do, what should I do, should I get engaged in something, do something productive, should I fix some goal, just ask yourself one question: what would a person who would love themselves would do? What would a person who would love themselves would do? like for example, I've come from the house and I ask my question, I ask myself this question: what would a person who would love themselves would do? Answer is, they will have a cup of tea, they will take a rest. And I mean, this is fundamentally how you sort it out your life. It's not about just the brackets that you're fixing and trying to, of course, I'm saying it's not that you have to give up this whole world, the practical world, and move completely to the spiritual side. And what I'm trying to put it across is, give place to that practical world with your systems every day, doing a bit of it with full enjoyment, but at the same time give place also for to enjoy the time that needs to be given for you to enjoy the life एक बार मिली है, बार बार नहीं आएगी, राइट? इसको इतने प्रॉब्लम में क्यों जीना है? मेक मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. और आज देहरादून का मौसम पूछिए नहीं कितनी बारिश हुई. आई एम जस्ट सो लविंग इट. Weather is really good. Planning to have, thinking, should I have my nariyal pani or should I have a cup of tea? Cup of tea is always really like, बारिश वारिश होना तो ये चाय और ये पकौड़े बहुत याद आते हैं. पकौड़े बाय द वे मैं खा चुकी हूँ अभी. डिश आपने मेरी अगर वो वीडियो नहीं देखी, प्लीज़ डू गो एंड वॉच माई वीडियो पकौड़े एंड दी स्टेकेशन. सो आई थिंक आई हैड अ प्लेट ऑफ पकौड़ा. या so I'm skipping that pakoda part, but I'm planning to have maybe either a chai or nariyal water. I have this orange Valencia also, that's how it's pronounced. These type of fruits I never had in my childhood, to be honest. Santra मेरे को पता था, पर orange Valencia, that's how it's sold on Blinkit. So I ordered it. I really like it tastes. इसको शायद फॉरेन का ऑरेंज कहते हैं, फॉरेनर ऑरेंज नहीं, फॉरेन का ऑरेंज शायद बोलते हैं. बट and I also have like, so I'm planning which things should I have. What should I have? Cup of tea, maybe nariyal pani. Let me figure it out. What would a person who would love themselves would do? You will get the answer. So keep on asking that question every hour. You are in a dilemma what to do. What would a person who would love themselves like to do? So that's it for today's vlog. Yeah, so that's it from my mic is still not working. I've watched the YouTube videos. I've also read a lot of stuff on how to make the mic work. I've also downloaded an app so that the mic just sync with my video when I'm shooting. It just goes together. But like I said, I'm a bit technically challenged, so it's going to take a bit of a time. That's what happens with aging. Your learning curve becomes a bit longer. That's why you have to take care of your health. You have to take care of your spiritual health. You have to take care of your physical health. You have to read this stuff. Keep on pushing yourself. That button that keeps on pushing yourself so that you can feel good, and always keep yourself high on energy. That's it from Aparajita's side, and this is Aparajita Tales that you're watching. Do like, comment and subscribe. I would be coming on to more tips how to run your life. Hopefully when my mic works, I will run the podcast soon for you people. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment onto my channel.